Performance Products. That is Anastasia Lucky. And then now from lane for Lucky. Stickers and decals. Also racing for 666 Race and Custom. Heavy Duty Magazine. Taking on Lincoln Warwick. Warwick on board the Honda CBR 500, a new motorcycle for him. Lincoln will get to the finish line first, 9:30.